Hello everyone, welcome back to 90 Addiction. Today's video we will show a lot of ideas about river road landscaping. River road landscaping is a great way to add a texture and interest to your outdoor space. Here are some river road landscaping ideas to be considered. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest more interested videos. We are uploading design and decorating ideas, art and crafting. If you are interested, so subscribe our channel and can't forget to press the bell icon. So here are in this video we are sharing with you river rock landscaping ideas. Rock landscaping is a technique to design or decorate our home, creating a pathway using a river rock to creating a beautiful pathway that you garden or a yard. You can arrange the rock in a variety of pattern, shapes such as curved path and zigzag pattern. Build a rock garden. Use river rock to create a natural look rock garden. You can plant a variety of low maintenance plants among the rocks to add a color and make an interesting. Add a water feature. Add a water feature. If you have a pond, fountain or other water feature in your yard, use river rock to create a natural look surround it. It will help to make the water feature stand out and create a peaceful and calming atmosphere. Edge garden beds. River rock also used as a edge garden beds, creating a natural look border that will be help to define the space and prevent weeds from the growing. Building a indenting wall. Use a river rock to build a indenting wall that will help to control erosion or the slope or the hill. That this can help or a beautiful or functional addition to your landscaping. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest more interested videos. Creating a seating area. This is the main important for landscaping. Arrange river rock in a circle to create a natural looking seating area in your yard or a garden. This can help to create a place to relax and enjoy your outdoor space and feeling natural beauty. And use as a mulch. If you have added texture and interest to your garden beds, consider using river rocks as mulch. This will help to indent moisture in the soil and prevent weeds from the growing. Here are some few ideas for using river rock in your landscaping. The possibilities are endless, so use creativity, come up with the design that fits your style and needs. I hope you are enjoying my video, and here are some defined river rock landscaping. River rock is a type of decorating landscaping that involving the use of smooth, rounded rocks that are typically found in the rivers and streams. River rock can be used to create a variety of landscaping features, including pathway, border, and rock garden. It is popular in many areas because it requires very little maintenance and is used to create a natural look in any outdoor space. If you are interested, so make it and claim our natural beauty from these ideas. When using river rock in the landscaping, it is an important first prepare the area by removing any grass or a plant and creating a level feature. The rock then will be laid in the pattern that complements the surrounding landscape. The river rock can also combine with other landscaping material such as mulch, gravel and creating more variety look. One of advantages of using river rock that is durable and withstanding variety of weather conditions. It also helps to prevent moisture and use it to cover areas where grass may have difficult growing. Additionally, river rock is officially available in the range of colors and sizes make it easy to find it and fits for your specific landscaping need. I hope you are enjoying my video and I hope you are enjoy and taking advantages of from my video. So click the subscribers button.